Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Final Fantasy XIV game crashing on your PC or any kind of lagging or the freezing issues. Guys, first you have to check you have the minimum or the recommended requirement to run this game. And if you have this requirement and if your game is still crashing, so this is the problem, so let's see how we can fix it. First right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. You can also go to the Windows search and just type here the task manager and simply open it. And guys, here you will see all the processes that are running on your PC. Guys, these processing are causing your game crash. So if you will see the memory or the CPU is above 90% on the top, then it's mean it's the data symbol and you just need to close all the background apps from here. Then go to the startup on the top and here you just need to disable all of these applications you are seeing here. Because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without permission and causing the lot of CPU or the memory usage. And after that, just close it from here. Now go to the Windows search and just type here the graphic settings. And this setting will appear on the top, so just open it. And guys, here just click on your game and just click on the option, then select it to the high performance. To add the game, just click on the browse option you are seeing here. And now here, you have to locate the folder where your game is installed. So once you go to the folder where your game is installed, then you have to select your game launcher where it launches or all the exe files. You have to just select it. Then just select it to the high performance so it can use all your graphic card power. After that, just close it from here and then go to the Windows search and just type here the edit power plan. And this will show on the top, so just open it. Now click on the create a power plan you are seeing on the left hand side. Then just click on the high performance. Then just click on the next and then just create this power plan. So once you created this, now click on the change plan setting. Then just click on the change advanced power settings. Now guys, here just scroll down and you will see the PCI Express. So just expand this, then just expand this link state and you just need to make sure that the on battery and plugged in is off. And after that, just click on the apply. Now just close it from here. Now guys, the next important setting is go to the Windows setup with the device manager and open it. Here you will see the display adapter, you will see your graphic card and update it. So once you update your graphic card, if you have the NVIDIA graphic card, then just open up the NVIDIA software and update it. If you have the AMD graphic card, then just open up the AMD software and update your AMD graphic card. After that, now the next important setting is we are going to increase our number of processors. And guys, whenever our game need more CPU to run, so our maximum number of processors will be used. So go to the Windows tab with the system configuration, open it, go to the boot, then click on the advanced option. And now here just check this box of the processors and just select here the number of processors, the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 816 or the any value, then just select the maximum, then just click on apply. Then just you must need to restart your PC to apply these changes. Then just open up the Steam and launch your game again and your problem will be fixed definitely after the solution. And if your problem is still not fixed, then you can lower your FPS and also lower your resolution in your game, and this will definitely fix your problem of any kind of crashing. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.